Hello navigators, welcome back. Today in this lecture we are going to talk about another solver which is called buoyantPimpleFoam. Unlike this particular solver that we discussed in our previous lecture, buoyantBoussinesqPimpleFoam, that particular solver was for incompressible fluids. There the temperature variation in the flow is manifested into the density variation in the flow. Due to that density variation in the fluid, the lighter fluid will go up against the gravity and the heavier fluid will go down. But in actual fluids, we should solve the energy equation instead of that particular assumption that the temperature variation will cause density variations. Therefore, this particular solver is also there in OpenFOAM, which considers the energy equations, and it does not have any such assumption over the relation between the density and the temperature. Therefore, this particular solver is more general, and today we are going to use this particular solver to simulate the same problem that we have simulated in our previous lecture. Let's get started. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content of our channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe.